Annuity rates since 2008 in California. In case you want to purchase an insurance policy or annuity contract in California, the first thing to think about is your exact insurance needs. Many people pay for insuring their life without knowing exactly what they are paying for or what type of insurance they have at all. And they spend quite a lot of money believing that the benefits and financial possibilities they are offered with will make some good use. But unfortunately, in most cases, people are just overpaying for things they don't need while they can use this money for better things in California. The key of finding a good insurance policy in California is learning what type of policy and insurance coverage fits your needs. If you currently have insurance coverage and feel that it's not quite what you actually need, then it's better to drop that policy when time comes and search for another one. But first, you need to know what you really need in the first place. A good way of defining your insurance needs is analyzing the risks you're taking at your workplace and defining what sum of money would be required to assure your family's stability in case something happens to you. In order to define the best places to get insured in California, you can either visit numerous sites offering life insurance quotes or contacting California Department of Insurance through a toll-free hotline number 1-800-927-HELP or their website. CDI is also a good resource for learning local regulation and legal framework for insurance activities, as well as seeing what insurance providers are licensed for work in your area. Keep in mind that purchasing life insurance is a very important decision to make, which will influence your financial situation and your family's stability. No matter what causes you to think of insuring your life, you have to make sure that the insurance policy is adjusted to your financial situation and won't affect your family budget drastically. That's why it is important to have cheap life insurance. And the rates you get on your policy are directly linked to a series of factors, one of them being the actual amount of coverage brought by your insurance policy. The more coverage you have with your policy, the more expensive it will be in the end. But how much coverage you really need? That's a complex question that should be answered step by step. First of all, determine how much money you can afford to pay for insuring your life in California without harming your well-being. Having a costly insurance policy is good, but if you have to struggle just to pay the premiums, there's really no use in such a product. Then determine how much risk you take every day when doing your job and how likely it is for you to be killed or disabled due to your activities. If these factors are minimal, then your life insurance won't cost you much. But if you take fatal risk every day, then your policy will likely cost you a lot of money. And in the end, determine how much money it will require for your family to not suffer from financial hardship if you're gone. When having all of these questions answered, you will be able to take as much coverage as you really need.